friends, my scrap jar is overflowing. Let's glue some of these scraps down. So I'm working my altered book art journal, and I'm going to take a glue stick and I'm going to add it to my page, and then I'm just going to add scraps on. And I really love to kind of play with how I put the scraps down on the page. These are smaller paper scraps, but it's fun, and there are different ways. Like I have tissue paper, I have heavier weight paper, I have a bunch of different things going on. So I am just going to have fun and stick them down. I usually take about 20 minutes to do this, and I try to do it every month. And then I kind of have these semi-done pages that I can just add glue to and a few more elements. And they're really, really interesting with all those beautiful paper scraps. So I hope you enjoy the video. I will see you next time. Let me know if you have any questions. Bye bye, friends.